At James Cook University, we have a cohort of international students, and this brings a multicultural environment where every student, in fact, can thrive. And what we have seen is all of our students are getting really nice job opportunities in the future. Not just in Australia, but as well across the world, where you can experience different things. The Bachelor of Engineering at JCU is offered in two different campuses, in Townsville and in Cairns. So it is, in fact, a 4-year degree in a full-time basis. So in Townsville, we are offering chemical engineering, civil engineering, electrical and electronic engineering, and as well as mechanical engineering. And in Cairns, we are offering Internet of Things, electrical and electronic engineering, and as well as maritime engineering. At James Cook University as well, we have small classes, so we know very well our students, we can mentor the students, and as a lecturer, my role, and I think my colleague's role, is beyond to be a lecturer, not just teaching, but as well mentoring students. And by having small classes, we can basically support each student individually, and I think the outcomes of these supporting is very well known by industry. Employment success rate for our engineering students is in fact above 90%. And many of our students, in fact, get more than one offer in terms of the job. So we have students that have more than 10 offers, and means that our students are really employable. Overall, I can say, studying at JCU gives you the opportunity to study in one of the most beautiful campuses in Australia, and as well with state-of-the-art facilities where we can provide you the real skills for the future opportunities in Australia or around the world.